Jack, what you doing? I'm only just playing with my toy. See how it is. But don't you think you can test something out for yourself? There's nothing to do. I'm just a cute little Yorkie. Whatever. Today's my good time to show off because I am the most sassy girl in the world that everyone loves, yes. I don't even care what Max says. It's my point. Biscuit? Jack, what do you want? Max is being so rude. Can you please help me? I can't, little baby. Go solve it out yourself. And you're mean. Is it just me? And is it just me or am I just getting real tired? Huh? Did they just heard something? Outside? She said outside! What? Outside? Outside! Come on, please, please, please! Outside! Hey! We're gonna explore everything. Guys, come here! On our way, Jack! Let's go fight! Hey, get lost, little Yorkie. I don't care. Now get out. Man, this is a long time. Oh. Hey, look. What did I just found? I discovered something. Well, don't mind me. I'll do something for myself. Discover something? Something. Oh. What? Oh. Did we found something? Oh. Man, I'm sweating. Well, I need water and stuff. Nice and warm. Can you believe going outside? Like, look what I'm doing. You copied me. It's not my fault that I copied you. You're the one who always copies me. I did this in the first place, so it's not my fault. Guys, it's Biscuit here. Being a dog is just like a hard work because you have to fight other dogs that you do not know though. And at the same time, it's just so stupid. Yes. There's some good refreshing water. Just time to relax. Even though I did fight so much, well, it's okay. I still have my moments. That's not much important. Yes. Oh, Biscuit.